the place to learn more.
Hi everyone, I'm very happy to share few words about subconscious mind. In psychology, the subconscious is the part of the mind that is not currently focal awareness. Our subconscious mind is powerful force to be reckoned with. It makes up around 95 percentage of our brain power and handles everything your body needs to function properly, from eating, breathing to digesting and making memories. It plays a vital role to get succeed in our life. It's like a supercomputer, and whatever you want to put it in your subconscious, that will happen definitely, I damn sure. So based on programs what you have in your subconscious decides your future, I can say your fate. It can be programmed negatively and also positively. So let's go how it works. So we have three mind in ourselves, that is conscious, unconscious, subconscious. So I hope you know the meaning of unconscious. If we do anything routine, it will come under unconscious. Conscious mind that deals with, analyzes things, and we can take any plans with the help of conscious mind. So it will help some 10 percentage to get succeed in our life. And next, subconscious, it is a very powerful mind. It takes some 90 percentage of our in our life to get succeed. It is called long term memory. It retrieves data from the saved data. It consists of emotions, feelings. It can build good habits, also bad habit. It build relationship patterns. It encourages creativity. It has so many development stages. So it is very powerful. So before go to this technique, I want you to have smart goals and desire and dreams. So whatever you want to achieve in your life, smart goals is nothing but you should have specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound goals. So these are called smart goals. So how we can program our subconscious mind? So through programming our subconscious mind, we can achieve anything in our life. The first technique which deals with the positive affirmations. So positive affirmations, I can say, that is self-talk. Self-talk is your internal dialogue. It can be also called intrapersonal communication. If we communicate with others, it's called interpersonal. If you communicate with yourself, it's called intrapersonal communication. So why we need to have this talk to ourselves? It enhances better performance and it generates well-being and it creates life satisfaction. So how we can do this? So for this positive affirmation, for this positive self-talk, you can spend daily like some 20 to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So you can start with the positive affirmations that, like, see in this picture, I'll do great things, I can do it, I have got this, I'll keep trying. So you can start with positive affirmations. So it should be in present continuous tense. Okay. And if you repeatedly talk to yourself, so that will be imbibed in your subconscious mind. So whatever you talk to yourself, that can be easily achieved by you. So next technique is imagination or visualizations. So many of us are aware about this technique, but we give less importance to this. We can imagine the future or desire, or we can have dreams that to happen in your life. So it is simply a mental rehearsal. So before go to the main picture or main thing, whatever we want to achieve, we can have rehearsal in our mind. You just create images in your mind having whatever you want to achieve in your life. If you repeat this for daily, some 10 minutes or 5 minutes, so easily you can program your subconscious mind. So I'll tell you one example. We used to watch movies. So this visualization technique is also called mind movies. So in that movie, we can imagine ourselves as hero or heroine. We can be sure about the dress color, the car we want to have. So everything, if you are sure about the color of the dress and place you want to have, you want to work, the place you want to go. So everything should be paka planned in that imagination techniques. So if you have mind movies, so easily you can program your subconscious. Why? Because your subconscious cannot differentiate real and real things. So if you imagine that you are in a, if for example if you are in a higher position, so that will happen immediately because it cannot differentiate the real one and real one. So it will help you to achieve the great things in your life. Next, we are moving to feeling as if you have achieved your goal. So feeling is very much important, and that plays a vital role in your success. Actually, you just feel like you have done something great, or you have achieved something whatever you want to have in your life. So you may be longing for so many years to achieve something. You just feel as if you got that thing now. So for this, you just close your eyes and you just feel that you are driving, for example, you are driving a very expensive car, or you have received offer letter from reputed organization. How will you feel if you have received offer letter from reputed organization? Or you just feel if you I mean how you behave, how you give a speech in front of everyone, if you are asked to give speech for entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs. So if you give speech for budding entrepreneurs, obviously you will be a great entrepreneur. So you just imagine in that way, and you just feel as if you got that thing immediate. I mean you got something now. Okay, you can develop this technique. It is very powerful technique. You can easily achieve or you can easily program your subconscious mind. So next, we are moving to express in your words. So writing your future will help you a lot. You just write whatever you want to achieve in your life. Just imagine if you had a magic pen that could deliver everything you wanted in your life. Daily before go to bed, you just write your goals, your dreams, or whatever you want to achieve, you can write. If you want to answer for any problem, or if you give anything innovative ideas, or if you want to give anything creativity, that can also be written. So you should be sure about what you want. So the next morning, I'm damn sure you will get the answer for your problem, or you will be directed to achieve the goals whatever you set that previous night. So I hope these four techniques will help you to achieve a goal by programming your subconscious mind. I hope you to achieve your goal, and I'm personally experience the power of subconscious mind. So I want you to uh, achieve. Thanks for listening my video. Come with different topics. So until then, it's signing out from